to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel, or should I say Jennifer today. Today we are doing a Jennifer check from Jennifer's Body makeup look, and I did film the regular makeup look before I did the blood, and I also added in a little bit of dark eyeshadow around the eyes later on. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that right down below. Hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. And please do check out my social media. My Instagram is in the description box or up here on the screen if you want to type it in and check me out on there. All the wonderful photos I posted for Halloween. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. And let's get right into this Jennifer's Body makeup tutorial. watching this video. I tried to keep it as accurate to the movie as I could with the really subtle colors. She has really minimal makeup on in the movie, so I wanted to really replicate that. And I just referenced one of the photos from the movie to do that, and then just some fake blood. I did get this outfit from Doll's Kill. It's the little top and the little matching skirt. I hope you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed it. Please do hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And do check out my Instagram as well in the description box or up here on the screen if you want to just type it in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a good Halloween. Bye guys.